Hello everyone, welcome to Sunset Acres Farm. If you're new here, we're the Smith family and we moved from a 1/4 acre lot to our now 4-acre homestead about 5 years ago. I'm Emilee and today I'm going to teach you how to make enchiladas. You're going to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So you don't have to hand chop your onions. We use this chopper from Pampered Chef. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and chop our onion. So your onion, chop it in 4. You probably only fit about 1 onion. So now you just pull it down until your onions are chopped. So we have a quart of meat. Dump it in there. So you need a cup of chopped onions. We're gonna put this on and we're gonna make the onions tender. Okay, so once your onions have become tender, you're going to go ahead and add your seasonings. So you're going to need cumin. We're going to put in a half a teaspoon of that. And you're also going to need a half a teaspoon of chili powder. You need another half a teaspoon of this. Also, you usually want to add oregano, but we don't have oregano right now, so if you guys have oregano, add a half a teaspoon of that. Okay, so next you're going to want to add some salsa. We canned this salsa, a bar of cream cheese. Okay, and you're going to want to melt this cream cheese. So we canned beans like a month or so ago, and so we're going to be putting a quart of black beans in there. It says to do a 15-ounce can of black beans and a 15-ounce can of pinto beans, but we didn't have any pinto beans canned, so we just decided to use a quart of black beans for this. So we're just going to pour that in. So we're going to warm this up again. Okay, so we're hot, so we can turn the stove off. And now we're going to make our enchiladas. So before I bring the pot over, we're going to spray a 9x13. So you're actually going to pour half of this enchilada sauce in the bottom of your pan, so that should be about good. And I'm just going to plop some onto this enchilada. Or this tortilla. Put it in the middle. To just roll it up. Don't ask me how that happens either. Now you're going to shred your cheese. You're gonna put half of your cheese on one pan and half of it on the other pan. You're gonna put them in for 20 to 25 minutes. After 20 to 25 minutes, your enchiladas should be done. Just make sure they're hot and the cheese is melted. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. and blessings from Sunset Acres Farm.